Today I'm at Flower Dome to see the cherry blossom. This is cherry blossom over here. Pretty, isn't it? So we're gonna do the rest of the walkthrough. It's a tea ceremony. It's going on here at Flower Dome. It's the overview of the sakura trees in Flower Dome. It's on a regular Saturday. It's pretty crowded. Pretty crowded inside here. Just gonna have a quick walk through. It's iconic photo spots over here. It's nice photo spot. This is pretty. It's sakura in white color. These are real sakura flowers. Look. Nice.
Thank you.
Going in here. It's pretty. Nice flowers over here. Super nice. Nanga Chikau means it's a little bit different from Japan. Some Japanese are here and they're saying that Nanga Chikau is a little bit from Japan, which I can understand is really different when you are in Japan viewing the sakura, and it's a little bit different from here. So nice. So nice. Really nice. See, it's more sakura over here. Oh, this is nice.
Okay, don't touch. I hold you, don't touch. Why? You want to make a wish.
Really nice. Castle over here. Walking through here. Just beside the castle. So walk through. Really nice. There's a few photographers here capturing the flowers, and then there's tour group. It's really usually there's photo spots.
We can take breakfast.
Super pretty.